Hi there, and welcome back to my channel, Full Stack Explorers. In this video, we will work on create order and checkout page functionality. Let's get started now. Click on Routes folder, then click on Checkout page and open the index.tsx file. Now remove the commented code as we don't need it anymore. Alright, now let's create a folder in an islands folder with the name of checkout. In that folder, create a new file index.tsx. Now in that file, create a default exported method named checkout fields. Now go back to index.tsx file of routes folder and cut the checkout fields part of the code from there. Paste the code in newly create file and save the file. Now in checkout routes index file, import checkout field as a component here. Alright, now create a state above checkout data. The initial values will be an object of every field here. We will set every field values as empty string as initial values and set it later when user type the data in an input field. Now set the input field value of first name as checkout_data.fname. And the onChange method make an anonymous method. Here we will get the user entered values, but we will use spread operator here. What it will do is, we will get all values along with user entered value. For example, if user entered first name and when user entered last name, we will include first name value along with last name value in the checkout data state and so on. Now do the same thing to all the present field, but change the values accordingly. Alright, as I have added values in all input fields, let's add a console above check the values changes in the browser. Alright, open the browser and check the changes now. Open console in the browser. Now add values in the input fields. As you can see, the values are adding in the fields side by side. Now as I have added all values and you can see all values are in console too. Alright, now let's get back to VS Code again. Scroll down a bit. Here on Place Order button, create on click Listener here. Create a method here, handle create order. Alright, let's create that method now. This method will be asynchronous. Add a try catch block here. In catch block, throw error on console. In try block, we will use Axiod to post data through API. We send first user details which user entered using input fields. As we need users selected products too, we will send that along with user details. We will send total count of product. Lastly, we will send total amount alongside it too. If the response is 201, we will clear everything from local storage and redirect user to the main page too. Also, we show alert if the order is created. Alright, we have made the create order data. The only thing left to do is to make the API for it, which we will make in the next video. Hopefully the next video will be the last video of this series. That's it for now. If you guys like my series, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Happy coding!